My name is HariPriya. I got an All India rank of 494 and I've been allotted the Hidayatullah National Law University, Raipur. And my decision about law, so initially it was my parents' decision. They told me that it would be a good career option for me. However, I got interested in law when I joined CLAT Possible and I attended legal classes. Besides that, I started liking my own subjects, sociology, political science, psychology, and that is what I'll be learning in all these 5 years. So I think not only my interest but also my aptitude lies in law because I'm also good with writing and speaking. So yes, it's definitely a good career option. Besides, I have interest in judiciary and litigation, so I think that I'll do well in this particular field. I got to know about CLAT Possible from my class teacher, my legal studies teacher at my school, and she recommended CLAT Possible to me. The most defining part in my CLAT preparation has to be CP mocks and definitely the legal and CR sections because legal section, the types of passages that they gave us, they prepared us for everything. Not only were they conventional topics like criminal law or torts or constitution, but we had topics like surrogacy as well. So we were prepared for our exam thoroughly. And besides that, of course, the Legion batch and the type of preparation that we had there, and my rekindled interest in law because of Devjyoti sir's lecture on death penalty. I remember the entire class in pin drop silence, completely listening to him, and that's where my interest got rekindled. I want all of you to be very consistent and very committed with your CLAT preparation. It's important and I understand that it's your career. So give it your best, do all mocks, analyze them. But one very important tip, because this is the mistake that I also committed, do not obsess over this exam. Life does not end if you do not clear it in any case. There is more to your life, there is more to your personality, and take a chill pill and enjoy the journey, because trust me, when you reach the destination, it's very uncertain what you'll do ahead in your life. But the preparation, it's beautiful, it's lovely, and don't take so much stress, don't be obsessed over it, and enjoy it. I came, I enrolled, I conquered.